So the Professional Scrum and Kanban class is an evolution of some sorts, which is pushing beyond what people think of flow within Scrum. So a lot of people just kind of have a Scrum board and they call it such, and they manage work, and that's all they do. They manage work. What we aim to introduce to the attendees of the Professional Scrum with Kanban class is flow, and that's one of the essential core elements.
Cool. And what participants, what people should join this class? Who should participate?
It's anybody that wants to understand or able to answer that question of when. When can we have it done? Because we start talking about Scrum and we start talking about Kanban and we start actually giving people tools. So instead of saying it's going to be this sprint, it's going to be this in this range, we actually start talking about some of the tools and techniques that you can use in order to answer that when question. Have an increased level of predictability around what the teams are doing.
So we're looking for Scrum Masters to help understand how Kanban fits within Scrum. That's your job. We're also looking for essentially team members, right? So developers, product owners, and those outside of Scrum teams to come along, because the information and the metrics that are provided as part of this course and are essential for ensuring flow happens can be translated to anybody within the organization, anybody within the product development team. And this is, again, another essential part. We're not just relying on a Scrum Master to be the translator of metrics, the translator of the project plan, which a lot of organizations rely upon. We want everybody within the team to take the accountability for being able to start talking about when.
If I listen to this and I want to take this class, and I hear you talking about flow, what is it and why is it important? Maybe to sort of close off.
Yeah, I mean, actually, I was going to end with fun, right? So one of the core elements of this class is it is fun. It is a hands-on, interactive, deep dive into all the things that could possibly, probably, and will happen when you're using Scrum, and how Kanban helps you with that. Flow is that lovely moment where things just work. The team are engaged. They understand the goal. They understand why they're doing what they're doing, and they're able to manage their work more effectively so they deliver better outcomes. Through adding metrics and charts on top of that, we can provide a level of transparency that the team can engage with, and also those outside of the team can engage with. And work becomes arguably a little bit more interesting. It's not short of fun, but it can add a different element to your retrospectives, to your planning, to your dailies. And that's, again, one of the most essential pieces of this, is being able to confidently translate the information that you're seeing out into the real world and start trying to have a go at forecasting. When am I going to get this stuff? When are we looking to deliver the next release? How can we have some confidence around that? So yeah, I'll go back. It's fun. The class is hands-on. We should be getting at least some laughs out of it. That's the objective.